As a business owner, as a business leader, do you often wonder if you're spending too much on your bookkeeping? There are sometimes some really cheap bookkeeping out there. I've seen a lot of clients out there that actually are like, hey, it's great. We have somebody, they're doing our bookkeeping. They're doing it for $400 a month. That's a great deal. And then what happens is I actually look at the books and I'm like, wow, you're getting such a great deal and you're actually overpaying for what you're getting. Because what's happening is you get a lot of people out there that are doing bookkeeping services that don't have a really good grasp of accounting concepts. They're using bank feeds, they're using credit card feeds, and they're just getting a lot of that stuff in there, but it's really not in that much of an organization. A lot of these same business owners that tell me what a great deal they're getting on their bookkeeping, they're also very frustrated with their numbers. They don't know if their numbers are wrong, they don't know what they're looking at, they thought they were making money, they didn't realize they were losing money, or they don't know how they actually are making a profit. They really have no understanding of the financial health of the company. They start looking at the accountant to say, hey, what can you do? If you don't have a general foundation on accounting, you really don't know what to do to address these. And that's where the accounting team really needs to work with the management of the company. One of the things that happens a lot, one of the best deals that people think they get, and I don't mean to offend anyone out there, but one of the worst offenders are actually CPA tax firms that offer bookkeeping.
Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
And what they do is they offer this bookkeeping at a very low price so they can get everything in the books and make it easy for them to do taxes at the end of the year. Now, I don't want to say that they're doing a bad job. They're probably doing an excellent job on your taxes. At the end of the day, they have all of the information in there. They're able to get your tax forms filed, give you some insight on ways that you can save money on tax liability. That's all great. But just by them getting that information into QuickBooks, that doesn't leave you with a dashboard that you can actually use to make decisions. Most of these tax CPAs that offer bookkeeping, they don't want to do it.
No! God, please, no!
I've talked to many of these firms and they say, we just want to get out of it, but if we don't do it with person X or company A, we won't get anything. We actually end up with a shoebox of receipts at the end of the year. It just makes everybody's life harder. But then what also happens is when you do all of that, now all of your financial and accounting information really doesn't get taken care of until the end of the year. So when you're looking at how much you're willing to spend on your bookkeeping, I got to tell you, I don't have the magic number. I don't have it should be 1% of your revenue or 5% or any of this. I will tell you, if you find somebody that's doing your bookkeeping for $500 a month and they are doing a great job and you feel very confident, keep that person. You're getting a great deal. They're a diamond in the rough. Also, don't try to save money on your bookkeeping. Your financial well-being is the strongest asset your company has going for it. So it's like buying a Porsche and then getting the cheapest car insurance you could possibly get. Well, why would you do that with the money in your company? If you want it organized and you want it managed well, make sure you have somebody in a position that is actually well-educated and well-informed on how they can help gather that information and get it to you to make those decisions. Make sure you know what you want to get out of it as well. So when you're hiring and you're interviewing bookkeepers, say, hey, I always want to know what my margin was per project. I wanted to know what my total overhead is. And by spending time to be able to do that, then you'll know that you have a bookkeeper that actually is adding value and helping you grow your company.